Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to request a refund on Alibaba. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Alibaba application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Alibaba? Depending on the device that you use, you can get Alibaba on Google Play Store or Apple Store. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Alibaba and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the app successfully, it's going to take you right into the sign up page in the app, where you're going to be asked to either create a new account or to log in using an existing account. Now whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Alibaba. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to request a refund on Alibaba. Now you're gonna have to open up the order that you want to request a refund on. So from this home page, head over to the bottom of your screen where you have Home, Tips, Messenger, Cart, and My Alibaba. Click on the My Alibaba tab, and that's going to take you right here where you have My Orders. Now go ahead and click on My Orders, and that takes you right into your orders window. So this is where you're going to have all your orders displayed. So all of these orders have not been completed because I've not made payment for them. But let's say you have made payment from them. This is where you can manage your order. So go ahead and click on your order. So after clicking on your order, you're going to see an option that says view orders. So go ahead and click on view orders. After clicking on view orders, you're going to see more options, and one of them includes request a refund. So click on request a refund, and once you click on request a refund, just follow through the step-by-step processes involved in requesting a refund. You're going to be asked a couple of questions while you're requesting a refund. Just follow through the step-by-step process and check your mail for feedback to see if your refund request has been granted. Another way to request a refund is for you to contact the customer service. And how do you do that? Go ahead and from this page, go ahead and click on Help Center. Once you click on Help Center, it's going to take you right into the help desk. And once you get into the help desk, at the bottom corner, click on live chat. And once you click on live chat, just go ahead and tell them that you want to request a refund. Okay, so from this, please describe your problem in details to them that you want to request a refund, and they'll definitely take you through the process of getting your refund done. So what kind of order did you place? Just go ahead and follow up with any of the step-by-step processes and you'll be attended to. So that's pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.